Who's a big, tired baby? I remember he wouldn't even let me do this. It feels so good. I love my mama. She lets me have popsicles. Yeah, let's get some scratchies there. Yeah. Who's handsome? Who's beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful baby. He's my beautiful baby. Yes, he is. Ooh. No, no, no. Not gonna hurt you. You know I would never hurt you. Mr. Buddy Love. He's so pretty. And that's the paw right there that is deformed, where he has a little club paw right there. And you can feel it. Alright, I'm going to leave you alone. I know you're giving me that look. He's so pretty. White cat hair everywhere. There he goes. He's getting ready to vacate. You see the light? Yes. Alright, much love, y'all. Buddy says bye.